If you're seeing the Chrome error QUIC protocol error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We're going to disable the QUIC protocol in Chrome, clear your browser cache and cookies, turn off conflicting extensions, and check a couple of network settings if needed. These steps are easy to follow, and by the end, Chrome should be loading websites normally again. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, we'll disable the QUIC protocol in Chrome. QUIC can sometimes cause connection problems, so turning it off forces Chrome to use a more stable connection method instead. Open Google Chrome, then click in the address bar and type chrome/flags and press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental settings page. In the search bar at the top, type QUIC. You should see an option called Experimental QUIC Protocol. Click the drop-down menu next to it and change it to Disabled. After that, look to the bottom right and click Relaunch. Chrome will restart with the new setting applied. Next, if the error is still showing, clear your Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted cached files or old site data can interfere with how Chrome connects to websites. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. A clear browsing data window will appear. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. Once that's selected, click Clear Data. After the process finishes, restart Chrome and test the website again. If the problem continues, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN tools, and antivirus extensions, can interfere with Chrome's web requests and trigger protocol errors like this one. To manage them, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see all of your installed extensions. Turn off all active extensions first, then restart Chrome and try loading the website again. If the site works now, you've confirmed that one of the extensions is causing the issue. Re-enable them one by one until you find the one creating this conflict. Now, let's move on to network and security settings because sometimes the issue is outside of Chrome itself. If you're using Windows, search for Internet Options and open it. Go to the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. Make sure use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked unless you specifically need it for work or school. A bad proxy setting can block connections and cause browser errors. Another easy fix is to restart your router. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to fully return. This can refresh your network and clear temporary connection issues. So to recap, if you get QUIC protocol error in Chrome, first disable QUIC, then clear cache and cookies, disable conflicting extensions, and finally check your proxy settings and router connection. One of these fixes usually resolves the issue. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Chrome and computer fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.